Waking to these sounds again, I wonder how I'll sleep. Passing out is taking off into the stubborn deep. I'd like to meet a human who makes it all seem clear, to work out all these cycles and why I'm standing here. I'm falling over and over and over and over again now, calling over and over and over and over again now. Running through my life right now, I don't regret a thing. Things I do just make me laugh and make me wanna drink. I'd like to meet a madman who makes it all seem sane, to work out all these troubles and what there is to gain. I'm falling over and over and over and over again now, calling over and over and over and over again now. Projecting what I want is always hard to know, but when it comes between my sides, I'll let the damage show. I'd like to meet a spaceman who's got it going on, sailing through the stars at night until our world is gone.